Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using Microsoft Visual Basic 6, or also known as VB6, Classic Visual Basic, to ask the user to give a string, and then our program will simply convert the given string from lowercase into uppercase format. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and visitor to my channel. Thank you for always supporting my channel by watching, by sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically, as I said, we are using Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Okay, so we have here a form. The title of the form is uppercase a string in Visual Basic 6, and then we have several properties here, or objects. We have a label, give a string, label 2 uppercase string, and then we have two text box 1 and text box 2. Now Microsoft Visual Basic 6 has many built-in functions. So we have three buttons: OK, clear, and quit. In the OK button, if text 1 text equals space, it will display a message cannot be empty. Try again, set focus to the text 1, else. Using a built-in focus str convert, text 1.text, VB uppercase will convert whatever string it is. It is a combination of uppercase and lowercase, or lowercase into uppercase. It will display on the second button, that is text 2.text and if and end sub. Next, for the second button, we have here a clear the text box 1, text box 2, and then set focus so that the cursor will go there on the text box 1. And then for the quit, we simply had an end statement. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. Let us check and run our program so that we can test. Give a string, let's say Bacolod City Negros Occidental. This word Bacolod City Negros Occidental is in lowercase format. So when I click OK, it will convert into uppercase format. Let us click the clear button. Both text box is being cleared. Next, Microsoft Corporation. Okay, capital, small. Okay, so it will convert into uppercase. Microsoft Corporation, clear. Computer Science. Okay, the word computer science is being converted into uppercase string. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to convert the given string into uppercase string using Microsoft Basic Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.